Hi guys, this is how to set up the TP Link RE300 Wi-Fi extender. There are three methods how to do this and I'll walk you through each of them, so watch the full video and then you can decide which method is the best for you. So let's go. Before you start, you want to make sure that your router is connected to the internet and broadcasts Wi-Fi. To do this, take any of your gadgets and go to settings, go to Wi-Fi settings and look for your router's name on the networks list. My router's name is Manuel Steam. I see this name on the list, it means I can proceed. Next, you need to prepare your extender to work. To do this, just plug it into the power socket and look at the indicators. You need to wait for the white power indicator starts blinking white and then stops blinking white and turns on solid white back again. So just be patient, it can take more than 30 seconds. Now it starts blinking. That's it. Now the power indicator is glowing solid white. It means everything under the hood is completed and we are ready to set up our extender and connect to our home Wi-Fi. The first method is to connect via WPS. If your router has the WPS button like this, let me show you. You see the small button labeled with WPS/Wi-Fi label. So if your router has the button like this, you can connect just in a couple of touches. Just press the button on the router, then within 1 minute press the button on the extender. And now just wait. Now look at the indicators again. Now you need to make sure that the Wi-Fi indicator stops blinking white and turns on solid white. And then look at the 2.4G and 5G indicators to make sure you have both bands, if you of course if you have two bands router. Once again, be patient, it may take some time, something is going on under the hood, but we don't want to know what's going on there, we just want to wait. Now I have 5G and 2.4G. And now if you go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your device, let's go back to Wi-Fi, you will see new network in the networks list, which is named exactly the same as your router's networks, but with the EXT abbreviation at the end. So this is the network of your extender and you can connect to this network using the same password as you set for your router. My password is 4x1 and 4x0 and I can't join this network. That's it, so simple. The next method is to connect your extender via your web browser. Once again, make sure that the power indicator is glowing white and not blinking, and then you can continue on your PC or Mac. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's network, which is named TP Link extender. Connect. It has no password so far because this is a new connection. Be patient and wait until it will be connected. Yes, it's connected, it's open, but for now you don't have the internet connection in this Wi-Fi connection. So you need to go to your web browser and in the search bar type this IP address 192.168.0.254 and press enter. And now it takes us to TP Link setup menu and you need to log in here. Click on this eye icon to see what you type in. The default username is admin and the default password is admin as well. and you will be able to change it later, but for now just click on start. And it takes you to the quick setup menu, and from here you need to choose which network you wish to extend. I wish to extend my router's network, manual steam 2.4 gigahertz, so I have to click on that and enter my network password and click on next, and then I need to select the 5 gigahertz network, manual steam as well. Click on next, then confirm the settings. Here again, rename your extender's network. For example, if you have different extenders for your bedroom and living room, you can rename to distinguish. So now let's click on next and wait until the settings will be applied. That's it. Now you can relocate your extender to the Wi-Fi dead zone and click done. And on the next step, we have to connect to our new extended network. So let's go to the Wi-Fi networks list. Find our bedroom, or I prefer 5 gigahertz. Click on that, connect and enter password 4 times 1 and 4 times 0. You can click and hold on the eye icon to see what you type. Click on next. Connected and secured, and I have connected to the extended network, so check this checkbox and click on finish, and then it takes us to the settings menu, so we can set up the username, password and many other interesting things. And my favorite connection method is through the application, because this method gives you the easiest control over your extended network. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store or Apple Store and install this application, which is named TP Link Tether. Now you need to open this application. You can allow to send notifications, confirm everything you ask about, and then you need to log in or create a TP Link ID if you don't have one. So TP Link ID is just a simple registration, so I already have the TP Link account, so I will just log in. But if you don't, just create the account. It's easy, like any account creation in this world. Email, password, and you're done. So let me just log in. Then you will be prompted to turn on the fingerprint login. You can do it later. You can set two-step verification later as well. And now you can add new device, but first of all you need to connect to the TP Link extender network. So let's go to Wi-Fi settings, and here you need to refresh the Wi-Fi, and you need TP Link extender network. Now connect to this network and go back to the application. Now you can add new device, add a range extender, and you need to confirm that LEDs are solid on. Yes, they are. And you need to grant location permission to the application while using the app is okay. Tap on next and wait for a while. Be patient. Now set the device password. This is not Wi-Fi password, this is the password to access to your device from this smartphone. So let it be simple. You can go difficult if you wish so. Tap on next. Wait for a while until this icon disappears. Now you need to select which network you want to extend. Started with 2.5 gigahertz. I need to extend my manual Steam network. You need to enter your password for this network. I am entering my password now. You need to enter yours and tap on next in the top right corner. Now let's extend the 5 gigahertz network in the same way. Tap on next. Check the main network password. If everything is correct, you can tap on next once again. And right here you can rename your extended networks. For now, I will skip this step and just wait for applying our settings. Now, if you want to relocate your extender for the best coverage, follow these instructions. Plug in the extender about halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone and wait for about 2 minutes until the signal LED matches the picture below. Like this, everything should be glowing white and not blinking. If it doesn't, move the extender closer to the router for a stronger signal. If you're okay, tap on next, and then you can connect to your new extended Wi-Fi network. Let's go to Wi-Fi settings and find our manual Steam 2.4 gigahertz but extended EXT like this, but I prefer 5 gigahertz for now. 2.4 is for older devices. And now let's enter the password. Tap on OK. That's it, we are connected now, and let's go back to the application. Wait for logging in. It says we have no internet. Let's fix this. Just tap on network status and tap on check again, but I didn't have to do it because everything is fine. So now you have full control center in your smartphone. So you can change the security settings. You can connect to one mesh if your router supports one mesh, of course, and a lot of different settings. But this is the topic for another video, and subscribe to the channel to not miss anything out. Hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.